You want to grow, you want to scale, yet you feel stuck. Well, let me tell you one thing. It's not your marketing, it's not your systems, it's not your people, it's not the economy. It's something else entirely. You see, after working with hundreds of business owners and successful industry leaders over the last 10 years, what we recognise is you can have all the tools, all the resources, all the templates, all the checklists, all the blueprints, but that's not going to help you scale unless you address something else. And it's nothing out there, it's something in here. We refer to it often as your personal operating system. It's like the outside of the computer's maturing, but you're still operating on Windows 95, for those of you who were around when Windows 95 started. Unless you're upgrading, unless you're shifting, and some people call it your mindset, your identity, your beliefs, unless you're prepared to go to work on viewing your business and viewing yourself differently, you will always stay stuck. And nothing wrong with that. But just as long as you recognize that that's the difference between being stuck and becoming an industry leader. You see, what industry leaders recognize is that success externally comes from the inside out.